Now, children, I am with video number 2. The topic is properties of rational number. Now, the second property is the commutative property. Now, what is the meaning of commutative property? Commutative property means if you add any rational numbers, we are talking about rational numbers, so I am taking the example of rational number only. Let's write the example here. 2 by 5 plus, there are two rational numbers, and 3 10. Now if you add them, you will get the answer will be 10, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 by 10. Now if you interchange the places, means 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5, will you again get the same? Again the answer will be 10, this will be 3 and this will be 4, again it will be 7. What happens? When we interchange the things, the result is same or not? But what happens if we are taking minus? Look at this. The answer will be, the answer will be 10. Now this will be 4 and 3, 1. This will be 4, this will be 3. That will be 1 up by 10. Now what about this? 10. Now see this same example I have taken, but this time I have taken subtraction, minus. Are the results same? No, the results are totally different. So we have come to a conclusion that commutative property basically tells us if you change the order, the result should not change. If it is changing, like in the case of subtraction, we say that subtraction is not following the commutative property. So addition is commutative. We say the conclusion is this: addition is commutative, whereas subtraction is not commutative. If we take multiplication, same example I am taking. If you do the multiplication, you will be getting what? 2, 3, 6. You will be 3, then 25, because 2, 1, 2, 5 times. Same here, 2, 1, 2, 5 times. The result is same. So we can say that multiplication is also commutative. But what about division? Two by 5 divided by 3 by 10. 2, 5 multiply 10 by 3. You will be getting a 5, 1, 5, 2. That will be 4 by 3. Now what happens if you change the places? 3, 10, 5, 2. Look at the results, they are totally different. So we say that division is not commutative. So only multiplication and division is commutative. Now the next property is associative property. Let's check for addition. What is the associative property? For rational I am taking. See, I have taken 3 rational numbers, 1, 2 and 3. Now I have to add them. So if according to the associative property, let's check this. If you are adding this first, whatever the result, it will be let me check, solve this. It will be what, 9 by 4. Then we will be having 14 by 4. Now what happens if you change the group? Earlier we have taken this, now let's take these two. This will be 11 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now there will be 11, 12, 13 and 14 by 4. Look at these answers. Are they same? Yes. So we say that addition is associative. Yeah, addition follow associative property. Similarly, we can show for subtraction, multiplication and division. I am not showing all these things here, but you will do it of your own. You will find that only addition and multiplication are associative. Subtraction and division are not multiplicative, are not, sorry, associative.